Ano po yung significance nito?
The very significance of this activity is to end the scourge of illegal drugs in the Philippines. That's the very reason that we're having this regional interagency summit in preparation for the National Drug Summit,
Which happened
will
on...
be held either late this month or anytime on June this year. And of course, we've invited other sectors of the society comprising the community, the prosecution, the courts. That is why we have one judge here from the Taguig City and from the law enforcement to tackle the very status of the drug problem in NCRP and to identify the obstacles, the gaps, the problems that we are facing. They will do a workshop which the output of which will be used in the National Summit because we will be having a recommendation based on their insights on how to end the scourge of the illegal drugs in Serbia. Ayan po ang pinaka-purpose. We will develop strategies that will help us solve the drug crisis.
So ano po yung ina-expect ng sambayanan na yung with regard dun sa continuous campaign natin na paigtingin pa yung kampanya laban sa droga?
Well, mabawasan, number one, of course. We cannot totally eliminate it, mas mabawasan ang supply and demand ng droga para naman makatulong din. It will be beneficial to the community at the end of the day.
May mga new policies po tayo in place?
We will develop based on this. Maybe we can have. That is why we're having this because maaring mayroon pa tayong hindi natatap na pwedeng gawin national policy. Kasi bakit matagal ang pag-usad ng pagsugpo ng droga? We will find out in this national summit. But we're starting here sa regional level because ang mga kasama natin dito ay mga members ng barangay, ng media, who can contribute in assessing the drug situation doon sa barangay level.
So lahat po ng stakeholders involved?
Yes, dito po sila lahat. That is why we group them according to the pillars where they belong. The law enforcement, the prosecution, the community, the courts, and the correction. Yan. Covered po natin lahat yan. And they will present as a group kung ano yung kanilang assessment doon sa kanilang pillar.
May mensahe po kayo dun sa haka-haka ng mga, nung publiko na yung drugs parang hindi naman talaga na na-eliminate. Tapos mayroong mapagdududa pa sila na hindi natin maiwasan na
normal naman yung pagdududa. But this will
paano natin maano yung pagdududa pa?
Erase, because what we are presenting are facts. Facts will erase all doubts. And this will be the answer of the true status and state of drug problem in NCRP.
May mensahe po kayo, karagdagang mensahe sa public?
Dapat we are hoping that we will be very open in the discussion that would help us identify the real problems. Sana naman po ay, of course, dito na yung maging simula para we will nail the problem at its head. Talagang matutusok talaga natin ang problema.
So, di ba, whole nation approach po ito?
Opo,
So,
whole nation approach.
ano po yung ano natin sa communities para mag-get involved sila sa ganitong kampanya?
Well, they can cooperate with the BADACs, starting with their barangays, para malaman din nila kung sino ba talaga ang involved din sa droga. And madaming programa din ang barangay, and at the same time doon sa city. They must be involved also to sa programs on how to eliminate totally yung droga. Ilan po, we need the cooperation of the community para po mag-push through itong program ng ating gobyerno.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.